Hello my friends, and welcome yet again to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now today I'm doing a potato salad. Now as growing up I never really liked the so-called traditional potato salad with loads of mayonnaise in it. I just found it a bit too heavy. So this is the version that I always like to use. It has Dijon mustard in, and very good it is too. So we'll start off. I have 900 grams of waxy potatoes here. Now I'm going to actually leave the skin on these. So before we do anything else, we'll chop these up and get them boiling in some salted water. Okay, so that's them chopped up, and we'll put them into a pan of water and cook them up, and then in the meantime we'll get on with making the vinaigrette. Okay, so while the potatoes are cooking, ingredients for the vinaigrette are 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of runny honey, and some salt, freshly ground black pepper. Just whisk those up. There's also there's about half a red onion sliced up thinly. I will put those on at the same time as I pour this over the potatoes. Just makes it a bit easier to mix it all together. Go. Okay, so the potatoes are cooked and they've been cooling down for the past 10 minutes or so. They're still a little bit warm, but they'll be okay. So I'm going to transfer them to this bowl. And then I will sprinkle over red onions, as I said earlier. And then finally pour over the vinaigrette. Then all that's left to do is to mix them up. By the way, I added an extra tablespoon of olive oil, so it actually has 3 tablespoons of olive oil in. But I'll write the ingredients and the quantities in the description below. And that, my friends, is our potato salad done. Okay, as ever, if you like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, my friends. Peace and love.